Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install Ds4windows and the required NET components so devices communicate properly. Once done, connect your Xbox controller with USB or Bluetooth and approve any Windows driver prompts. Make sure to run Ds4windows as administrator to allow driver installation and profile creation. You're now ready to register the controller inside the app and move to profile setup. Don't skip the admin step because it prevents permission errors later. You'll now create a profile and decide whether to use a default Xbox layout or customize every input. Start by mapping sticks, triggers, and face buttons. Tweak dead zones and sensitivity for smooth analog behavior. Once comfortable, assign that profile to the connected controller, then enable the correct emulation mode, DS4 emulation or Xbox 360 emulation, depending on the game. This step ensures Windows and games read inputs consistently. So take a moment to test axes and button responses before launching any title. You finish by thoroughly testing. Open a game or use the built-in tester to confirm buttons, sticks, and triggers behave as expected. Save the working profile and enable Auto Start if you want Ds4windows active at boot. If something goes wrong, first restart Ds4windows, then toggle emulation mode. If that fails, reinstall the virtual drivers and reconnect the controller. These steps fix most detection problems and ensure your Xbox controller works reliably through Ds4windows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.